Every now and then, you do something unexpected. And sometimes, you enjoy every second of it. Well, the Aston Martin is gone, and now we have a 2015 Porsche 911 Carrera. 991, that one to be exact. It's the first generation of the 911 991. It's naturally aspirated with a 7-speed manual transmission. It has a 3.4-liter, 6-cylinder Boxer engine that produces 350 horsepower and 287 foot-pounds of torque. Now, I know this is not the fastest, but it definitely gets the job done, and you're gonna have a lot of fun while doing it. So this was definitely an unexpected purchase. Went in just to look and came out with a new car. Well, new to me. With how much I love the Panamera, I guess it only made sense that I would end up with Porsche's flagship, the 911. Besides, it's sporty, it's reliable, super fun, and has plenty of modification opportunities. Something that the Aston Martin just didn't have. In a nutshell, the Aston Martin just wasn't providing the thrills and excitement that we were looking for. But I explained that more in detail in the previous video. I have the link to that in the description down below. So I have to come clean. I had this car for a while and was keeping it a secret. I didn't expect it to last this long, but life had other plans. So here we are, and I must say this car is amazing. It's such a blast to drive. I now understand why people say this is the best car they've ever driven. So the 911 is on the channel now. It's gonna be the main focus. It's gonna be great having a sports car on the channel that's my own. We definitely will be doing some aesthetic mods, performance, as much as possible since it is a naturally aspirated, and maybe a little update on the tech. So stay tuned and hit that like, subscribe button. The adventure is just beginning.